I have a LifeProof case for my iPhone, but look at that scratch on there, those scratches, even on the back here. Today, I'm gonna try to fix that because I don't wanna buy a new one. So I'm gonna use some of this stuff and a Dremel. Why? Because it's all I could find. And I don't wanna go to the store today. Stay open, you. Where you at, this guy? Yeah. Polishing it. It's really bad, so more is more. Yes, I'm going to just polish the whole thing this way. Clearly more work to be done here. I don't have a lot to lose, so we're gonna try it. But I'm gonna see if I can sand these things out. Do not try this at home, I am not a professional. Oh, see that? Instantly scuffs that up. How are we doing? Okay, yep, really big scuffs on there. Nope, see that right there? Now I'm making it even worse. All right, we're gonna try it here. There's no way this is gonna be a single drop. Oh, yep, look at that, see? Way too much. No way. That actually, I mean, you can see right there, that's still there, but I'll never restore this thing to perfect clarity. But I definitely, that looks a lot better. That looks way better.